Time for another nail video. So I was really excited to start trying Sally Hansen's new Insta-Dry Syrup Nail Polish collection. Not sponsored, by the way. I have less than 5,000 followers, so you knew that, right? Anyway, I just showed you a week or so ago my first try with their collection with a hot pink nail that I did with 2 different hearts, and I really like that anyway. So I really wanted to try their purple, their grape glaze. So they didn't have that at first when I went to Ulta. This is an Ulta exclusive collection. Anyway, so I went back a week later and they did have it. So let's check out what it looks like with the grape color. Okay, so as you see, it's really light. It still looks pretty, but it's kind of a very, it is a jelly texture, like it's supposed to be. These are jelly nails, but it's kind of a very sheer, it's barely purple. It's kind of, it's almost kind of a more sophisticated look, like you weren't looking to really have purple nails, like only barely. So hang on. This is what it looks like on their website. And so that's kind of more of what I was expecting. And I used about, well, at least 8 coats. So my tiny little nails, that means that even with how short mine are, I used this much of the bottle for 1 manicure. So it was kind of a little bit disappointing. I was expecting, like when I used the hot pink one, I also had used way too much, but it still ended up being more of a color, and this is like barely anything. So hang on. I'm usually extremely happy with their products. They're pretty budget friendly as much as anything is these days, and they work really well. This one I didn't love because, I mean, it is very pretty, but, you know, I was expecting more color and just not to have to use 1/3 of the bottle for 1 manicure. So, I don't know. I wasn't thrilled. I'm still going to try the other ones I bought for this series, but I've heard that there are some other jelly nail colors that work better. So far, I think the one I used for my hot pink one, because there's like 3 hot pink ones or hot pinkish ones in the series, and I think the one I used for my first manicure, if you go back, you can see it was Pink Pour, I think, and it's marked in that one, so I liked that one, but it still took a lot of coats and used a lot of the bottle. And I'll try the other ones and I'll report back on that. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, bye everyone.